is Mina. Today we are reading a story about sounds. What is sound? Look at the band. You can see lots of instruments. Each one makes a sound when it is playing. Sound is made with something variable needs to move quick, back and forward. This flute makes an air variable, which makes sound. Loudness. You can see loudness to tell about a sound. Loudness is how loud or soft a sound it is. How can you make a loud sound? Bell on a drum. What else makes loud sounds? Some sounds are soft. The leaves fall softly. The kitten walks slowly. Tap a drum lightly. It makes a soft sound. What else makes soft sound? What is pitch? Pitch means how high or low a sound it is. Things that variable fast and high pitch, things that variable slowly have a low pitch. Do you think this violin has a low or high pitch? It can have a high pitch when the strings variable very fast. It can have lower pitch when the strings vibrate slowly. Fill up a bit more pitch. Blow up the top of the bottle. What happens to the air inside the bottle? The air inside a bottle vibrates. Bottles with a lot of air make a sound with a low pitch. Bottles with less air make a sound with high pitch. Look at the bottle. Which one makes a sound with highest pitch? Which one makes the sound with lowest pitch? Animals make many kinds of sound. Animal sounds can have a low or a high pitch. The bullfrog makes sounds with a low pitch. This bird makes sound with a high pitch. How does sound travel? Sounds goes through solid, liquid, and gas. Sounds move fast through the air. This lion lets out a roar. The sounds go through the air. This bird peeks at the tree. The sound moves through the tree and the air. This dolphin clicks. Sound moves through the water. Sounds move faster through water than through air. Sounds move faster solid such as wood. How do some animals make sound? Animals make sound in lots of ways. A cricket uses wings. It's rubbed together. The wings vibrate, make a sound. It sounds like running your fingers on the teeth of a comb. A rattlesnake tail is tailward like macaras. A lobster makes sound. Its rub is a head to up the side. It's anti with a violin. What are some sounds around you? There are sounds all around. You might hear a fire truck. You might hear children. You might hear a fly. Every day we hear sounds. Just listen. That's the end of the story. Bye, guys.